Now, the question is about Cherry's volunteered out to be in the living room. Now, there are squares and circles here about her. Now, who wants to answer? Sige, DJ. Now, lagi ang mga sheets din. All you have to do is pick a shape rather na masuk siya din sa pattern. Yes, the circle. Paano mo siya? Nice. Very good. This is correct. The next shape of this pattern is circle. Kaya di ba sila? Mga squares, dahil circle, mga squares, mga circle, dahil mga squares, ang next name of pattern is circle. Very good. Now I have here a second example. Yes. What is the next word to complete the pattern? Now I will call three students to come here in front to answer every pattern here. Now I'm trying number 1. Sige, Rowena, number 1. You may pick some shapes you have. Tapos itabi mo kung paano ba yung pattern. Then number 2, Argeline. Yes, Argeline. And number 3, Russell. Now let's check if tama ba yung mga answer. Yes, very good. Although it's not, ay mali. Mali na, mali na. Agoy na. Wala isang street teacher. So ang tama is triangle. And then the number 2, yes, very good. It is heart shape. Kaya makita lang sa ating pattern na una si square, sunod si heart, sunod si square, and then the next part is square, sunod si square. Si heart, very good. Now in this number 3, pentagon, then circle, pentagon, then ang pattern is circle, same pentagon, very good. This pattern has everyone sa kayo nakasalutin mo sa ating practice question. Now, before we dive into our next topic, I have an activity for you. I will divide you into two groups. This will be the Dory team, and this will be the Ned team. Now, I have here an aptitude chart. Now, this aptitude chart, this shows here the non-degree and the stars. Now, these stars is composed of 5 points. Now, all you have to do is to accomplish the given task given by all of you. So, pag na-accomplish ninyo, katama ni teacher, o nagsaka star na nag-compose yung mga 5 points. Now, if dili nyo accomplish ang given task na natin sa inyo, and dili ka din yung mga ng classroom rules kung ang teacher ang stars. Are we clear, everyone? Yes, teacher. Now, can we read our classroom rules? Listen carefully. Participate. Sit properly. Raise your hand to answer the question. Now, I want these classroom rules na dapat masunod din yung task. Now, back to our activity. Maghahanap ko sa inyo ang materials na inyong gamiton. Na monetary as the Nemo team, and this will be the Dory team. Now, what you have to do, ano yung mga pagkaawit lang sa ano yung mga problems, word problem na all you have to do is to write the important details before to solve. And iba dapat mag-solve pa na yung mga solution. So, are we clear? Wala na mga mga na? Sige, yun na start. I will give you only 5 minutes. Sige, the timer starts now. 9 to 10 open. very good. Now, third solution is yes, they are 27. Now 7 is 34. Very good. Let's give a 5 claps to Nemo. Last exhibition. Arasa, can you make the division from our brother?
Donald has 9 copies. Donald shares the copies evenly between 2 people. How many copies will each person get?
Now, in third division, they write important details here. The donut, 9 cupcakes, and shared to 3 people. Now, third division, we use division. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Very good. Let's give again a 5 claps to Nemo team. They got the perfect score. Now, the Glory team. From Glory team, yes, in a series of books, each book has 40 pages. Matthew had grade 5 books. Now, how many pages does Matthew read? So, yes, there are 40 pages and 5 books. Yes, 40 times 5 is 200. Very good. Let's give a 5 class to Dorothy. Now, the next question is, Lorena, can you read these the word problem? Subtraction.
Paid by searching the course basically what is this change from
This science class is called Pacha, Brother and Anisha. This is Professor from S. Now, yes, ako na sila ng punta sa important data. Spread on 933 minus 85 to 62. So, they got 35 points. Let's give 3 laps to Barry team. Yes, good job everyone. Okay. Naka-answer din doon sa inyo ha, activity ron. Now, each group, I will give 1 star. Now, have you ever wondered, class, nga kung sa inyong ibang soul, naka-observe kung sa inyong pambuhat class, na kung sa mga class, kung sa sila activity, nag-solve, very good, nag-solve mo. And now I have again another activity, but before that, let's read the objectives. Can you please read the objective, class? The student must be able to determine the symbols equivalent numbers, expression, using addition and subtraction. Right, valuing numbers and let's agree what one agree. Otro sabihin.
Find the missing value in a number sentence involving multiplication or division of whole numbers.
And
Solve word problems involving number sentences.
now, current class, let's do another activity happens sa inyo. Now, this activity is called Complete Me. Now, can you please read the direction?
Find a number that should be placed in a box to make the number sentence.
Now, I will only give you 2 minutes para mag-write mo sa inyong paper and later on, I will call random students para mag-answer here sa front. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Now, you may now start writing your paper now. Anytime yung paper lang nila. Kumala? Sige. Ano Now, are you ready na? Sige na, mag-wait time. Take your time muna. Yes, muna. Sige. Let's check na. Sige, so number 1, I will call Angeline. Number 2, Lady Jean. Number 3, Russell. Number 4, Shaira. Sige na. Wala sa kayo. Sa reminder sa teacher. Isa lang. Sige, later on ako na i-check if tama ba yung mga answer. Sige, Lady Jane. And Shaira. Kasama ni Lady Jane. Now let's check. In number 1, the missing number here is 13. Again, let's check if tama ba ang ikutan nito ni Lady Jean. 13 plus 12. 2 plus 3. Very good. Now what plus what? 2. Very good. 25. Let's give a hand to Lady Jean. I see Angeline. Sorry. So the high stars today si Angeline.
Wow.
Ang yesterday and Lady Jean is 30, take away by 11 is 19. Yes, very good. Let's give a hand to Lady Jean. Now in number 3, see Lady Jean, we have forgot that answer. And yes, the times niya of 3 and 6 and it is equals to 18. Very good. Let's give a hand again to Lady Jean. That is Lady Jean. Later on, dapat mag-answer mo para gawin mo stars. And then sa number 4, si Shaira nag-answer. Now, i-divide ni Shaira ang 30 into 3. Na-answer siya of 10. Let's give a hand to Shaira. Very good. Nag-answer mag-observe naman solving sa kanilang mga equation. What did you observe? Yes, Lady Jean? Yes, very good. Thank you. Who else? Yes, we don't tell them mga number. Makasalan ko ka kay Lady? Very good. Yes, we got that. Right now, dili ka na kabutan dili ang home result. We got it. Kita, ang galimod ng mga simbol. It's because ang ating topic is after the result about number sentence. Now, number sentence is called, meaning of this is a mathematical sentence made up of numbers and signs. And also, it can use any mathematical operation from addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So, example there, kung yung ipag-solve ka, it is called a number sentence. Or, ang nabalala ninyo is the equation na mga 6 plus 2 or 6 plus 3 is equals 9. So, equation na tawag ka na. Pero, in mathematical, can also be called as number sentence. Now, if I have here an example. So, yes, 5 plus 3 equals 8. We typically add given number which is 5. So, we add na to si 5. We add na si 5 as a 3. And we use equals para makabalita o sa ilang answer. So, 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Very good. Now, typically, number sentence, we are not just finding the result, yes, but to appreciate the symbols for signs. Without this addition, without this symbol class, maka-add ba ba class? Yes, very good. We cannot add a symbol or a basic number equation without these mga symbols. Now, I have other examples. 6 plus 7. gawin ko na operation? Pwede na sa parla. Five lang, mali, five lang. Pero kung gusto niyo daghan, okay na sa. Ano may sa parla? Hindi na bagay. Pwede ay. Are you done, Ma'am Dennis? Yes, sagahan ng focus. 5 points or 1 star ang please. Sila ang nakapili. So, first. Finish yung first. Are you done, Cory Queen? Dami natin nakakalaman na i-present. O, kadalaman sila sa ilang lingwa, okay na nalaman sila. So, para fair, tagahan ko lang sila. 1 star na equivalent to 5 points. Now, let's check. Nakasang Gani, mo nagdalaman mo sila kay daghan na ilaha. At least 5 naman, wala ka sa labas lesson na only 5. Pero kay at least man, so, do, madaghan nila ang ako. So, I will be both team of class 5 points, kay nakakalito sa inyong class sa inyong work. Now, let's check from memory. Sa demo. This is demo team. This is demo ba? Ano si demo ba? Pagbukaan na sa demo. Sa demo niya mo. Sige. Let's check. Mercy, ang ginawa. So, ilan na ba tayo is 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Very good. Now, 6 divided by 3. Mali. Ay, 6 divided by 3 mali. Equals to 2. Mali. Ay, nakakalimutan.
class sentence, number sentence is not like addition, subtraction, multiplication, right? Addition. Kasi makata for example sa addition method sa number sentence. Okay, very good. If you already figure out the product sample sa addition method sa number sentence, so this is correct. How about the subtraction? Okay, very good. So this is the example sa subtraction method sa number sentence. How about the multiplication? Okay. Again.
Mali.
So what I have example sa multiplication method in number sentence. How about sa addition? So one example nila sa number sentence sa addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So now, plus. Ano ang importante naman, mag-determine ang so carefully the total details in solving word problems. Total comes na. Why is it important plus to determine the first determine first carefully the important details in solving word problems.
Para teacher ka, kabalo ka ang sa table na imong gamiton mo. Yan, importante tayo masinatan mo ang details na ihatan din. Actually mo ang following question kung isang dapat na table mong gamiton.
Okay, so, Renato, well done, say, Russell. So, ang tingin na natin ito is tama. Hindi kita pwede na magpataka na kung mag-solve sa mga problema o wala ka naman sa mga solusyon ng mga tools. So, karoon, class na. Mag-1 sheet of paper, tapos gano'n ako activities.
Dana teacher.
Because place the representation person.
Find the missing number in the number sentence. Write it in your activity notebook or one whole sheet of paper.
So, nalapay mo rin siya.
Dana teacher.
Gano'n ko, 10 minutes to answer this activity.
Mana teacher?
Mana teacher daw.
Okay, mag-check na sa atong activity. Siya gusto natin sa number 1.
Teacher.
Okay. Ang missing numbers of number values 156. Okay. Correct. Go back